Building a robust digital thread to connect design engineering, manufacturing engineering, quality engineering, and production, while effectively managing changes in configured product structures. As part of the engineering change notice workflow, the manufacturing engineer reviews the design changes, identifies the impacted manufacturing work packages, and creates manufacturing change notification. EasyPlan, a role-based process planning solution, delivers key capabilities with industry best practices to support and execute manufacturing planning. EasyPlan guides you through the manufacturing BOM creation and update process and increases collaboration between the stakeholders. In order to introduce MBOM changes, the manufacturing engineer revises the manufacturing assembly and modifies the MBOM with the latest design changes. EasyPlan identifies effectivity inconsistencies and allows the user to easily adjust MBOM effectivity. EasyPlan assists the user to reconcile the EBOM and MBOM by providing visualization of both structures and changes indication. EasyPlan ensures all engineering BOM changes are reflected in the updated manufacturing BOM.